I am able to look back and connect all the dots in my life that lead to where I am today. And you know, I am grateful that I didn't give up. Looking back, everything seems like it happens for a reason. So, whenever you'll feel lost or you'll feel like nothing is going right, just imagine that maybe tomorrow will be the day. That day will be with full of smiles and full of happiness, will be with you with the great success. And to see that, you will have to wait. And this thought helped me a lot in my life. Yes, everything happens for a reason. You will have to wait maybe few months or few years to get to know why it happened. So the topic is connecting the dots. You know, uh, like always keep looking for what you love to do and allow and follow and have the courage to follow your heart, because death is inevitable and acceptance is the key. That's why start doing the things which you always said that you want to do in your life. And if I asked today, I came to know that today is the last day of my life, do I want to do that what I am about to do today? If the answer is no, that means I need to change something. And because almost everything, that all external expectations and all pride, fear of embarrassment or failure, these all things just one day will fall away in the face of death. And that's why living truly is important. Our life is full of lessons from bad times, and we need to remember those lessons in our good time. you know Coming back to the topic, maybe you will be able to connect the dots in your life and maybe won't. But what matters that whether we are living for ourselves and doing the things which we love to do, right? So let's dot connected by our maker. And whenever at some point while you feel like everything seems like dark, without dark there will be a no beautiful picture in the end. Remember that. So why? Because these dots are always connected. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon in the next video.